Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your environment and credentials are ready. Install the Snowflake Python connector and optional Pandas adapter with pip so you can use familiar data frames. Next, configure environment variables or a secure secrets file for account, user, password, warehouse, database, and schema to avoid hardcoding. This prevents leaks. Once done, open a terminal and verify Python and pip versions. Then test a simple import to confirm the connector is installed and reachable before writing connection code. You now create the actual connection in Python using Snowflake. Connector. Connect and pass account, user, password, warehouse, database, and schema. Use a context manager so the connection closes automatically, and set auto-commit if you prefer one-step queries. Otherwise, manage commit and rollback for multi-statement logic. If you plan to use Pandas, import Snowflake. Connector. Pandas tools to fetch results into a data frame efficiently. Make sure to handle exceptions so you can log failures and avoid leaving open sessions. You execute queries with cursor. Execute, then fetch results using fetch all for tuples or fetch pandas all for data frames. Commit when needed. Close cursors and connections or wrap them in with statements to ensure cleanup. If something goes wrong, check authentication, network access, and that your role has rights on the warehouse, database, and schema. Common issues are incorrect account or blocked IPs. If errors persist, print the exception, inspect Snowflake error codes, and verify connection parameters and driver versions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.